this important problem from pair of straight line, and the problem is if one of the straight lines ax square plus 2hxy plus by square equal to 0 coincide with one of the straight lines a dash x square plus 2h dash xy plus by square equal to 0, and the remaining straight lines are at right angle, so that h into 1 by b minus 1 by a, this is equal to h dash into 1 by b dash minus 1 by a dash. Right. We first let this equation represent two straight lines which are y, this is equal to m1x, and the second is y equal to m2x. Okay. Now we know that ax square plus 2hxy plus by square, this is equal to b into y minus m1x into y minus m2x, because it represents two straight lines which are this and this. Okay, and comparing both sides, we write directly here m1 plus m2, this is equal to minus 2h by b, and m1 m2, this is equal to a by b. Okay, this is named as 1 and this is 2. And since the second line represent two straight line, one be coincide with the first one and another be right angle to the first one. Okay, so let two straight line are, first is y, this is equal to m1x, because this is coincide with the first line, and the second is y, this is equal to minus 1 by m2 into x, because this and this are perpendicular. Since m2 the slope of this line and minus 1 by m2 the slope of this line, this is equal to minus 1, so these two lines are perpendicular. Okay, now we write the second equation, that is a dash x square plus 2h dash xy plus b dash y square, this is equal to, we write this y minus m1x into, this is right as x, sorry, this is m2y plus x. Okay, there will be no need to multiply b, because here the coefficient of y square is 1, so equating the coefficient of y square we must multiply here b, but here the coefficient of y square is not 1. Okay, so we multiply the right side and get m2 y square minus m1 x square plus 1 minus m1 m2 into xy, and since this equation, this is equal to this equation and this is an identity, so comparing the coefficient of equal power of x and y from the both sides, and we write as minus m1 by, this is minus m1, this is a dash. Okay, so we write m1 by minus a dash, and the second is m2 by b dash. Okay, and the third is 1 minus m1 m2 by, this is 2h. Right, we get by comparing both sides. Now from here we get m1 by minus a dash, this is equal to m2 by b dash, this is equal to, we can make m1 plus m2 by b dash minus a dash. We add the numerator and denominator both. Okay, and we already get in relation number 1, this is given by minus 2h by b into b dash minus a dash. So from this and this we get the value of m1, this is given by 2a dash h by b into b dash minus a dash. Okay, and from here we get m2, this is equal to minus 2h b dash by b into b dash minus a dash. Okay, and we name this relation is relation number 3 and this is relation number 4. Also here we put the value of m1 m2 which is given by relation number 2, and getting m1, this is equal to minus a dash into 1 minus, this is a by b by 2h, and calculating this we get a dash into a minus b by 2hb, right? And similarly m2, this is equal to b dash into 1 minus a by b by 2h, and we get b dash into b minus a by, this is 2bh. Okay, and sorry, this is not h, this is h dash, here also h dash, here also h dash, because the coefficient of this is 2h dash. Okay, now we name this relation as relation number 5 and this is relation number 6. Now we find out the value of m1 into m2. How to find? If we take this m1, then we get m2 is this. Okay, and if we take this m1, then we take m2 is this, any one of them. Okay, now this with this and this with this. Okay, we let from 3 and 6, sorry, this is 6, we get m1 into m2, this is equal to, this relation must be a by b imply what is m1, this is m1, 2a dash h by b into b dash minus a dash, and what is m2, this is m2 into b dash into b minus a by 2bh dash, this is given by a by b. Okay, now we get 2 cancel out, b cancel out, and so this is given by b minus a by, here we get b and another a here, this is ab. Okay, and already here h exists, this is h, and the right side is b dash into b dash minus a dash by a dash b dash, right? We get this relation from here. Okay, now we write this relation as h into 1 by b by ab, this means 1 by a minus 1 by b. This is the left side, and the right side is h dash into 1 by a dash minus 1 by b dash. Okay, because b dash by a dash b dash, b dash cancel out, so 1 by a dash remains here, and clearly this is nothing but this is our required proof. We get the required proof which we want. Okay, this is very simple but important proof or important problem of pair of straight line. Right? Thank you for watching.